the storyline that I thought of. Why am I so out of focus? There I am. I'm focused again. This is a little TikTok behind the scenes footage on what happens as I'm getting ready to film a TikTok. So, we came across one as I was just cruising through my For You page, a sound, and an idea came. And the idea is basically, by the way, this is my little TikTok setup. I got my little ring light and I got my phone, so I'm like filming myself as I'm filming myself. It's like a weird moment. This is my prop phone that I use, and the idea is basically, I thought of this because of Kina. So plenty of times in the last 10 years that I've known Kina, there's been times where we'll basically get into like small arguments over like a text message misunderstanding, where I interpret her message incorrectly compared to like what she thought she was saying. You can't read tone via text, it's kind of hard. So I got this idea, and you're about to see. Basically, I'm gonna like act into the camera and pretend like I'm reading a text and be like, this, and then realize, oh, that's not what she meant. So that's the idea. Let's see how that goes. All right. Alright, okay, that came out. Alright, I like it. We're gonna do one more, just in case there's a better one out there. How'd that come out? Okay, I think that's the one. I like it. Okay, I want to do this one. Okay. Alright, here we go. Okay, so this sound, let me get it back over here. Here's the sound. Oh! My camera just fell. Oh my god. It's like propped on my chair. It's terrible prop. Alright, let's try that again. So the storyline that I thought of for this one is because this happened to me the other day. I was at the office and then my mom called and it was just like all this background noise. I was literally just listening to like background noise. It was a butt dial for like 30 seconds and I was like, all right, it's safe to say this is a butt dial. So that's the sound that I thought of. So we're gonna test it out. Let's see what happens. Okay, I got an idea on this one. Alright, so here's the sound. What you mean it's not available? Alright, I have it for mine. Alright, let's see here. Alright, this sound here. Alright. That sound in particular, what I'm gonna do is, alright, let me cut it in the perfect time. So the sound is, I did my dance on TikTok and went viral with it. So the idea is when your crush gives you a compliment. So when your crush, I did my dance. When your crush gives you when your crush gives you a compliment, and then the second act is gonna be me doing the shoulder, right? A little shoulder action, shoulder shimmy, like how it feels on the inside. And then the third frame is gonna be like me playing it cool, like, oh thanks, appreciate it, like, you know. Okay, you're gonna see what's happening here. Alright, that one come out. Nope. Try that again. Take 3. I have to like go this direction because then the next frame is gonna be here. Okay, okay. All right, and then it's here. All right, then we're back here, and let's see. I did my dance one time on TikTok and went viral with it. It's another TikTok in the books. We're crushing the idea game. Yeah, the ideas are flowing. Not always, but today in particular, they are.